Now I will show you how to send bulk messages using multiple numbers. So here just paste your multiple numbers line by line here and use the country code, and also you can use as a comma, just comma comma comma, so don't need if you use multiple lines. Okay, then here write your message and set your delay number, and you can also check the anti-spam, also you can send the attachment and just click to send messages. So start sending, you see on the background. Here you can check the progress of the send status. Almost 50% is sent. I total sent the 60 number. Here 4 is sent, 5. Okay, all messages sent, and you can download the report and you can check your report status.